Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. Well, I've been at it again. Hurricane Susan has struck hard. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I have such a mess, I can't even find my glasses. So, hold on. Alrighty. This is what happens when you decide to clean the drawers out, clean the cabinets out, which the kitchen is looking better than what it was, I guarantee you. If I can find a picture, I'll put it in. But this is not the bad part. Down here is the bad part. And I know, before I go in, Susan, did you really have to do this? Well, yes, because it was getting on my nerves. Alrighty, so I've pulled out because I had Christmas in that brown cabinet. I had Christmas in that. I had Christmas in that, plus in the kitchen and the garage. So I thought, okay, I wanted to make this cabinet or this closet just my fall stuff. And then I thought, okay, then I'll do this one with just my Christmas. Guys, do you guys do this? But the nice thing about it is I ordered some bins and look how perfect they fit. 5 high. So I can get 20 bins in this closet. I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to get it all in here. I don't know. But we will definitely see. I haven't done too much in my bedroom. Well, maybe I shouldn't show you that because it's a mess. Well, I've got more organizing to do. I'm also going through the Christmas and separating the things that I know I'm not going to use. I know I need to sell, but only keep what I am definitely going to decorate with. Okay, so hopefully in a little bit I'll find my glasses. I lost my phone for about a day. I could hear it ring, but I couldn't tell which room it was in. So, but I am plugging away. And the reason why I'm doing this is that, you know how when you bring stuff in and you just like, yes, I'm going to use this, I'm going to decorate with this, and then you put it in a cabinet, you put it in a closet. And then I got to thinking about it. I'm like, oh my goodness, I got Christmas all over this house. What am I going to do when it comes time to decorate for that? Or even for fall? And really and truly what started it, I was working on an arrangement for the middle of this table, and I could not find all of my Americana stuff. And I'm like, I know I have some flags. I know I have some fans that I wanted to use. So this is the reason why I'm doing this. But I tell you what, when I'm done, I'll know where everything is. I'm even working on some stuff out in that garage that I know goes in with my fall and in with my Christmas. So it's like one of those little things that's lifted off my shoulders when I get it done. So I absolutely love to clean and I love to organize. And that is what I'm doing. And My husband went to Colorado for a few days, and I thought, oh, this is a perfect time. Get it all out. So I got to get off here. He'll be back tomorrow. I'm getting more beans delivered. So, guys, I hope I'm not the only kooky lady that does this. But the nice thing about it is I clean and organize, and it makes me feel good. And that is that. Have a great day. I'll see you the next time. Bye, guys. I just wonder where my glasses are.